least in heaven I can skate.
What's up everyone? Chad here at Guilford Skate Park. We got Keese and Tyler in the background. So I got front ones, 180s on the quarter. I taught Tyler how to do them. He's got them good. We're gonna get a clip of that. So I taught him how to do the front 180 on the quarter. I got the front 180 on the quarter. I'll show you a quick clip here. Not too bad for doing front 180s on a quarter. I know I need to go up higher and like clear the coping, but that is too scary. But what I want to do is learn kickflip to fakie and frontside flips. So we're gonna try a couple of those and see if we can land her. Yeah, I'm good. Maybe not that trick. Fuck. Maybe not the kickflip to fakie today. I just slammed so hard and I landed on my elbow and my hand from the other day when I was doing tails and slipped out. So maybe another day for that, but we'll try the frontside flip still. All right, never mind. I decided just to full send it. I did two. The second one was actually really clean. Not as high as I want it because I just ate it. But yeah, we got the fakie flip on the transition and I don't skate transition. So now we're gonna attempt the frontside flip. Alright, so not being somebody that skates transition and just trying to force myself to, I ended up landing that kickflip to fakie, which was really rad after eating it and saying I'm not going to do it. Then I also landed 3 frontside flips, which I've never done on transition before, so those felt really cool. Now I'm just going to have to slowly push myself and go higher and higher each time until maybe one day I go above the coping and come back down. I might need to get some elbow pads and some knee pads for that and some wrist guards, but yeah, I know it's definitely been a productive day. I landed those couple new tricks and it feels rad. Goes to show you an old dog can still learn new tricks. And super stoked for Tyler because he ended up learning frontside 180s on the quarter within literally like half an hour, which is really awesome. Goes to show you never give up, never surrender, and you'll eventually land it.
Hey guys, it's Chad here with Chad. Like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, bye.
Anyways, you all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.